So this is the same Baron after the inside and outside windows have been done. I think you can see quite a difference. It's really amazing. It took out a lot of the haze, a lot of the smoke. This blue object on the other side is actually looking through both windows, and you're getting a little reflection up above of some lights on the windows. I'll go around to the other side, and you can see the windows on this Baron is absolutely amazing. It looks so clear. It's very nice stuff. Again, this is the ReZer X aviation product. Terrific job.